Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to check your Filmora version. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So all you need to do now is just to open your Filmora software. So after that, you will be able to check the version either by going to your account, and from here you will find the walkthrough or the overview of your offer, etc. from here, or you can simply just go to the help center. So that means you will be needing just to go to your Wondershare or to your Filmora software, and from here you will find the top menu. So as you can see, there is the sports menu. There is this support icon where you can find the icon, feedback, and etc. Now we want just to simply go to the help, and from here you will find the user guide or the Filmora workthrough. So here, if we go to click on about, and here I'm just going to click about. So from here you can see that my own Filmora version is the 14.08. And from here you can see everything about this version. Another way to do it is by searching for updates. So when you go to the check for updates, you will be able that see that it is checking for updates. And here I'm using the latest version, and basically my version is this one. Otherwise, it will start showing you the version that you are using, etc. Now, if we go to the release note, you can also see your uh, Filmora updates or the Filmora versions, and from here you can see all the elements or all the updates and features about this Filmora or all the bugs fixed or and everything. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.